This is the partial demolition of a bridge in Germany at highway number 43 in Herne, Forellstreet. And this is a German politician sleeping in 1968. As Highway 43 has been built, there was only two highways within an area nearly as big as New York City is, the B1 and the A2, both with 2 lanes. B1's nickname was the Creeping Way. In 1968, everyone could count on his fingers of one hand at a new north-south highway with 2 lanes. Highway 43 could be built with 3 lanes 50 years ago. Now it must be expanded. Therefore must be some bridges rebuilt. All bridges at Highway 43 were built as the highway was under construction. Now the bridges must be expanded and some bridges must be demolished and replaced by new bridges. This bridge will be expanded, therefore must be a part demolished and later be rebuilt. Whilst partial demolition, the traffic at Highway 43 was not closed. We arrived at the scene at afternoon and shot video clips and images until the night. The night shift can be seen in another video. All footage was shot at Saturday, September 29, 2018. Our neighbors visited the opera to watch Pyotr Ilyich Tchaikovsky's Swan Lake Ballet. We preferred to watch and shot the Four Caterpillars Ballet. Our setup to make this video was easy. I used a Fujifilm X T-20 with 50 to 230mm lens on our new bought K&F concept tripod. Carl used a Fujifilm X T-20 with 18 to 135mm lens freehand. This was really our first test of the K&F concept tripod with a ball head instead of a video head, and we were pleased by its performance. Several well-known German companies were involved in this bridge demolition. For example, Moeller and Essing and its cat Excavators, Herne, a construction company with a lot of branches all over Germany, and Mondel Container Service. A Herne foreman was very interested to promote the work of his company and saw that we could take better footage behind the barriers. Kindly he invited us to move some steps behind the barriers.